strong bullish moves across US100 and US30 as expected. As I told you, beyond 29,850 certainly we can see a stronger bullish move in Dow Jones, and US100 beyond 11,000 levels should fly high. Now see, it has already achieved 11,350 and 29,660 levels. Now what can be expected today, whether it is going to continue with the bullish momentum from here or we can expect a drop, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment and press the bell icon. The next update on both of these indices will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. First we'll look into US100 followed with US30. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels. Look at the hourly charts. It appears, see, the slope has changed. It was bullish here, now it is changing the slope here, trying to trade within this. And yes, if you see it trading below 11,240, certainly you can expect it to drop more for 11,200, and then below that it is trying to come back till towards 11,150, 140. 11,140 certainly is now going to be the support. Previously I had told you this is going to be the resistance. Now it is going to act as a support below 11,140. Now then on the downside 11,060, and below that also we can see it continuing with the bearish momentum. See, it has seen higher highs here, and yes, on the downside it can show you higher lows, and on the downside till the time it trades about 10,900 it is going to remain bullish. You have to note this point here. Direction movement bullish, trying to converge. Stochastic is at the top. The MACD has seen a high and it is trying to converge and cross over for a sell entry. RSI is comfortable at the top. We may see a little bit of consolidation, little bit of drop from here. The 2-hour charts, look at the 2-hour charts. The highs are done. The lows you can find out 11,240 it may try to achieve, and if it drops below 11,240 certainly more bearishness towards 11,200, and then below 11,200 if it breaks we can see it coming till towards 11,180, 160, another support zone. Below that it may try to drop more. Be cautious and alert. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is looking downwards. So again 100 points, 11,240 and 11,340 do not trade. On the 3-hour chart, see every candle leaving a wick out there, indicating still there is little bit of bullishness. Yes, 11,240 you should be careful of. Below that 11,220 and then 11,180, 160 should come into picture. Below that we may see it dropping for 11,100, 11,060 levels. See, it has breached this resistance zone here and tried to trade above 11,300. Now again is below 11,300 level, sustaining beyond 11,300. Certainly the next target which we can look forward to is 11,500 levels. That is a stronger resistance zone, but I think there should be a pullback. It may try to come back a little towards 11,140, 11,100 levels before it tries to rise. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is peaked out there. Possibly we may see a conversion, means it can try to drop a little. RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see achieving the highs. Now it is trying to drop a little. If you look at this here, see, first thing is 11,350 as the high, next is 11,850 as the low. If you count the numbers, 500 points, and if you take the equilibrium or the pivot point here is at 11,100. So there is a strong chance that it can try to achieve 11,140, 100 levels today before it looks forward to any further rise there. 11,100 should be a very strong support, and if it breaks below, certainly it will call for little more bearishness, and then we can look forward to 10,900. Directional movement on the 4-hour charts is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is still trying to look upwards. Look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily chart. See, previous 2 candles, that is Friday and Monday, the highs were at the same levels, and this is precisely close to 11,300, which was very strong resistance zone. Now this time this candle has breached this resistance, indicated that there is bullishness here. Yes, if you see it trading below the zone at 11,240, certainly today it may call for little more bearishness. And see, 340 to 240, 100 points, and it indicates that from 240 to 140 another 100 points it can swing, which is going to be a good level, and it is already a very strong support level. It can drop till there, bounce back again, close at around 11,240, possibility is high. The directional movement is bearish and it is trying to converge. Stochastic trying to rise here. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. Let's see if it gives you a bullish momentum today and crosses over. RSI has come out of the oversold zone. Considering this, sell at 11,240, buy at 11,340. That is the mantra for the day. Below 11,240, you can expect that we are looking forward to 11,200, 11,140 levels. 140, 180 zone is going to be a good support. Below 11,140, 11,100 is the next target, and if it draws below 11,100, certainly it will call for more bearishness. We can expect it to rise for 11,020, 10,950, 10,900 level. We can expect it to drop till towards those levels. Below 10,900, certainly more bears crash will follow. And if you see it trading above 11,340, certainly 11,420, 11,500 levels I will be looking forward to. 11,500 is a stronger resistance, and then beyond that 11,650 will be seen. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and trade safely. Always, whenever you see your trade is in profit, put your stop loss to your entry price or cost price at least. Just ensure that your trade closes in no loss and preserve your capital first. Then you can take 1,000 trades because your capital is there with you. So trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, try reading the charts carefully, identifying the profitable trades, taking the right entries and the right exits. You can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch will now start on first week of November. The new batch started yesterday itself. All seats are booked due to huge demand. We now see the next batch is going to start in first week of November. You have to book your seats now itself, such that avoid the last moment rush. And reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group. If you want to be part of my signals group, reach out to me via Telegram or email. And yes, if you want to support the effort, become a Patreon. The Patreon site link is mentioned in the channel and video description again. So now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts. Look at these two candles here. The high is there, precisely has been achieved, and it seems 29,650 is giving it a stronger resistance. But the difference here and here is it was outside the Bollinger Bands, and this is very well comfortably within these Bollinger Bands, and the highs are far away. Now if you consider this, the good short entry is only below 29,500 levels. If you see it trading below 29,500, certainly we can expect 29. See, this zone is going to be the next target, which is going to be at around 29,350. Very strong support at 29,350, breaking below which you can expect 29,240, 200 levels to provide a support, and below that we may see a little more drop there. Now look at the directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. We may see a little more bearishness. MACD has seen a high trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. Likewise on the 2-hour charts. See, forming double top. We can see a drop there. The next destination which it appears to achieve is 29,350 levels, which is going to be a good support, and below that 29,200 can also be seen, the next stronger support. Directional movement extremely bullish. Stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish. It may try to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. Look at these two candles. Both candles had a wick. Now either it may try to show you a candle like this and continue with the bullish momentum. See, now certainly this candle, and this candle, the bullishness here is diminished. The body size is reduced. Now what should confirm that it is trying to act bearish? If it tries to drop below 29,500, certainly we can see more bearishness. Then you can expect 29,350, 200, and in fact it can try to drop till towards 29,150 levels. So sell at 29,500 only. At the same time, if it tries to trade above 29,650, you can buy there. That is the level beyond which certainly more bullishness can be expected. In fact, 29,700 is the ultimate resistance. Beyond that, it will fly high. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD divergent and bullish RSI is also trading near to the high there. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, see here, if you look at the highs and lows very well restricted, 29,500 levels certainly below which you can expect little more bearishness, and rather those who want to take a comfortable entry, be cautious for 29,470 levels. Below that you can expect 29,400 levels, and then in fact 29,200 levels cannot be denied there on the downside. Directional movement bullish, stochastic extremely overbought, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, if you connect the dots here, you will find 29,700 certainly going to be the stronger resistance for the day. Trading above 29,700, certainly you can expect another round of green candle, another round of bullishness. If it trades above 29,700 today, first target 29,900, and then I will look forward to 30,100 levels. This is going to be the next destination. Trading above 29,700 will call for the bulls out there. So yes, you can buy above 29,700 levels. At the same time, you can sell at 29,500 and then expect it to rise strongly on the upside. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is looking upwards, indicating bullishness. MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover. RSI is trading flat and it has come out of the oversold zone. Considering this, sell at 29,500, buy at 29,650. In between these 150 points, do not trade. On the upside, 29,700 is a very strong resistance. Trading above 700, you can certainly expect that we may see another round of strong bullish moves, which might take it till towards 29,900, 30,100 levels. On the downside, sell at 29,500 and then expect it to drop for 29,400 and 350. 350 is the first support, and then 29,240, 200 is the next support zone, below which you can expect another round of good drop. So take your trades accordingly. Do not trade between 29,500 and 650 levels. Trade accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Become a part of my mentorship batch, become a part of my signals group, or become a patron. Reach out to me for more details. Telegram and email IDs both mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.